Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
This video shows you how to create a desktop shortcut for Yahoo Mail, giving you instant access. First, open your web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to mail.yahoo.com and log into your account. Once your inbox is visible, slightly minimize the browser window. You need to see a clear spot on your desktop. Look at the browser's address bar at the top. To the left of the web address, you'll see a small icon. This is often a padlock or a small globe. Click and hold this icon with your mouse. Now, drag the icon directly from the address bar onto your desktop. Release your mouse button. A new shortcut will immediately appear on your desktop. It will likely be named Yahoo Mail. If you want to change its name, simply right-click the new shortcut. Select a rename from the menu. Type your preferred name, such as My Yahoo Inbox, and press Enter. Now, to open your Yahoo Mail, just double-click this new desktop icon. It will launch your browser and take you straight to your inbox. This simple trick saves you time and makes checking your email much faster every day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.